We are OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro global distributor. We are Xiaomi global distributor. We supply with OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus 8 global version and China version global loan smartphone. We supply with Xiaomi global version smartphone and Xiaomi global China version global loan smartphones. We can deliver OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro global version smartphones, Xiaomi global version smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. Let's continue to unboxing OnePlus 8 Pro and review it. OnePlus 8 Pro is the flagship smartphone of OnePlus in 2020. It supports wireless charging. Type-C to USB port. Supports dual nano SIM card. All Google applications, Google Play Store. And here are all the language menus support. It is a 6.78-inch full AMOLED LED display, 513 ppi density, 3160 pixels by 1440 pixels. It's from Embed glasses, a 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. The screen refresh rate is 120 Hz refresh rate. Android 10 operating system. Chromecam Snapdragon 865. 7nm chip, octa-core 2.84 GHz. 128 GB long, 8 GB LAN, or 256 GB long, 12 GB LAN, UFS 3.0. Its front camera is 16 megapixel f2.5 aperture, and its main camera are 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture. Third camera is 48 megapixel f2.2 aperture, ultra wide camera. It means it have two pieces 48 megapixel camera, and last camera is 5 megapixel f2.4 aperture with dual LED flashlight. The battery built-in is 4510 mAh battery built-in. Supports fast battery charging 30 watt. Half of the battery charged only need 23 minutes. Also, it supports 30 watt wireless charging. 30 minutes, half of the battery charged. Also, it supports reversed wireless charging 3 watt. It means you can put another smartphone supports wireless like other brand Samsung and Samsung Note 10 Plus on the phone. It can charge the phones by wireless reversed wireless charging 3 watt. The phone have green color, blue color, and black color. It supports fingerprint under the display, and it supports 3.1 Type-C USB port. It supports GPS and NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, and SABAS, Bluetooth 5.1. Let me show you the camera 48 megapixel of the phone. You can see the details super clearly. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. Never settle. It will come one piece silicon case. And one piece is Type-C, the USB cable. Both are Type-C, not DC. Type-C cable. And it will come one piece charger. The charger is 30 watt, 5 volt, 6 ampere, 30 watt charger. We will have UK adapter, Australian adapter, and Europe adapter for your market need. Also, you have the manual warranty certificate and a jet pen. This is the warranty certificate. This is the logo, or the sticker logo, and this is the manual. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place the order directly. If you want to make B2B business of OnePlus 8 and OnePlus8 Pro smartphones, you can contact with us. We have global version and China version, and we can deliver the global version to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China.